Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today we'll start chapter number 7 of Vistas, Ivan's Rise and O Level, written by Colin Dexter. So, in this chapter, Colin Dexter describes how all attempts of the prison officers and the governor failed to stop the Willie Evans from escaping. All precautions had been made for O-level German examination which was conducted in the prison cell of Evans. तो Evans एक prisoner था. He wanted to study O-level and he wanted to clear the exam of O-level. It was a German language and moreover Evans was able to run away from the cell when he appeared in the exam. In spite of all this, it was Evans who had the last laugh और एंड में वो सबको अपने जो भी वो काम करता है उनसे हंसाता है, सबको हंसने का मौका देता है. So, before we read the chapter, we must know that should criminals in prison be given the opportunity of learning and education, तो जो criminals हैं वो prison में जाते हैं. क्यों जाते हैं prison में, सेल में? क्योंकि उन्होंने कुछ ना कुछ गलत काम किया होता है, किसी को मारा होता है, कोई चोरी की होती है, ठीक है, कुछ ना कुछ तो किया होता है ना उन्होंने, which is against the law. तो क्या उनको प्रिजन में पढ़ने का मौका देना चाहिए? हमें इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर अपने माइंड में रखना है बिफोर रीडिंग द चैप्टर कि अगर उनको सेल में पढ़ने का मौका देना चाहिए तो क्यों देना चाहिए, अगर नहीं तो क्यों नहीं. लेट अस स्टार्ट. ड्रामेटिस पर्सोनी मीन्स द कैरेक्टर्स. The characters in this chapter are the Secretary of the Examinations Board, the Governor of HM Prison, Oxford, James Evans, a prisoner, जिसके नेम पे ये पूरा चैप्टर है. Mr. Jackson, a prison officer. Mr. Stephens, also a prison officer. The Reverend S. McCleary, an invigilator. Mr. Carter is detective superintendent and Mr. Bell is also detective chief inspector. All precautions have been taken to see to it that the O-level German examination arranged in the prison for Evans doesn't provide him with any means of escape. It was in early March when the Secretary of the Examinations Board received the call from Oxford prison. तो मार्च की स्टार्टिंग का टाइम था जब सेक्रेटरी जो बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन का था उसको एक कॉल रिसीव होती है. कहाँ से? फ्रॉम ऑक्सफोर्ड प्रिजन. इट इज़ स्लाइटली अनयूजुअल रिक्वेस्ट गवर्नर. तो ये बट आई डोंट सी वाई वी शुडंट ट्राई टू हेल्प. जस्ट द वन फेलो यू से दैट्स इट चैप कॉल्ड इवेंट्स. गवर्नर सेक्रेटरी को बोलता है कि अकॉर्डिंग टू मी वी मस्ट गिव अ चांस टू दिस बॉय हुज नेम इज इवेंस. स्टार्टेड नाइट क्लासेस इन ओ लेवल जर्मन लास्ट September and this boy had started the night classes in O level German language from last September and he is dead keen to get some sort of academic qualification. Dead keen means he is very eager to get some, or you can say to increase his academic qualification. Is he any good? He was the only one in the class, so you say he has had individual tuition all the time, means he is the only student and he has taken the tuition individually, कि उसके साथ क्लास में और कोई नहीं था. Really would have cost him a packet if he had been outside. और अगर वो सेल से बाहर होता तो उसको उसके बहुत पैसे लग जाने थे. वेल लेट अस गिव हिम अ चांस शेल बी. That's jolly kind of you. What exactly is the procedure now? That is very pleasant of you. So, tell me what is the procedure of the exam. Oh, don't worry about that. I'll be sending you all the forms and stuff. What is his name you say? Evans. फिर एग्जामिनेशन बोर्ड का जो सेक्रेटरी है वो क्या बोलता है दैट देयर इज नथिंग टू वरी I will send you all the forms. And he asked that what is the name of the candidate? You were saying Evans. James Roderick Evans. It sounded rather grand. Just one thing, Governor. He is not a violent sort of fellow, is he? I don't want to know his criminal record or anything like that. But फिर वो बोलता है कि मेरे को उसका कोई क्रिमिनल रिकॉर्ड लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि मेरे को सिर्फ एग्ज़ाम ही कंडक्ट करवाना है. दैट इज़ माई ओनली ड्यूटी. नो देयर इज़ नो रिकॉर्ड ऑफ वायलेंस. लेकिन फिर भी गवर्नर बोलता है कि कोई रिकॉर्ड नहीं है वायलेंस का. क्वाइट अ प्लेजेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ चैप दे टेल मी. बिट ऑफ अ कार्ड मीन्स अनयूजुअल पर्सन. वन ऑफ द स्टार्स एट द क्रिसमस कॉन्सर्ट. और जो क्रिसमस प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं उनमें ही इज़ वन ऑफ द स्टार. Imitation means copies. You know the sort of thing. He copies many type of things like Mike Yarwood stuff. No, he is just a congenital kleptomaniac. Kleptomaniac is the person who has the habit of stealing the things. So he is inborn. He is just an inborn thief. That's all. The governor was tempted to add something else. Governor कुछ और भी add करना चाहता था, but he thought better of it. He would look after that particular side of things himself. Presumably, said the secretary. So secretary said, suppose you can arrange a room where. फिर secretary पूछता है कि उसका एग्जाम कहाँ पे होगा. No problem. He is in a cell of his own. Governor says that he lives in his सेल अलोन. कि उसके सेल में और कोई नहीं है. इफ़ यू हैव नो ऑब्जेक्शंस ही कैन सिट द एग्जाम्स इन देयर. तो अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो तो वो वहीं पे एग्ज़ाम दे देगा एज ही लिव्स अलोन इन द सेल. That's fine, and we could easily get one of the parsons from St. Mary Mag's to invigilate if that's. And he says that we will get a priest from St. Mary Mag's for supervision. And then, fine, yes, they seem to have a lot of parsons there, don't they? And then it is said that there are many priests. The two men chuckled good-naturedly. Chuckled means they laughed collectively. And the secretary had a final thought. At least there is one thing. You shouldn't have much trouble keeping him incommunicado. Incommunicado means without communicating with other persons, should you? The governor chuckled politely once more. The governor chuckled politely once more. He reiterated his thanks, and then the governor repeated his thanks and slowly cradled the phone. And slowly cradled means he placed down the phone slowly, and then again he called the name Evans. Evans the Break, as the prison officers called him. Prison officers ने उसका नाम क्या रखा हुआ था? Evans the Break. Evans the Break का क्या मतलब है? वो सेल में से तीन बार पहले भाग चुका था. जेल तोड़ के भाग चुका था. Thrice he had escaped from prison, but for the recent wave of unrest in the maximum security establishments up north, he wouldn't now be gracing the governor's premises in Oxford. लेकिन अब क्या था? There was much tight security, and that's why there was no chances of him to run away from the cell. And governor was going to make absolutely certain that he wouldn't be disgracing them. And this time governor was going to make all the arrangements and was going to check everything that he is not going to give any type of disgrace to anyone. Not that Evans was a real burden, just a persistent, nagging presence. He had been all right in Oxford, though the governor would see to that, would see to it personally. And besides, there was just a possibility that Evans was genuinely interested in O-level German. कि जो इवांस था वो ओ लेवल जर्मन में इंटरेस्टेड था. जस्ट अ स्लाइट पॉसिबिलिटी, का थोड़ी सी पॉसिबिलिटी थी, जस्ट अ वेरी स्लाइट. At 8:30 p.m. on Monday, 7 June, Ivan's German teacher shook him by the hand in the heavily guarded recreational block just across from D wing. तो मंडे को 7 जून को इवांस का जो जर्मन टीचर था उसने इवांस को हाथ से हिलाया वेयर इन द heavily guarded recreational block. Heavily guarded means there were many guards to watch all the activities of Evans. Guten Glück, Herr Evans means good luck, Evans. Pardon, excuse me, I said good luck. Good luck for tomorrow. Tomorrow means for your exam. Oh, thanks, sir. I mean Dankeschön. Dankeschön means thank you for all the joy and pain. You haven't a cat in hell's chance of getting through. Getting through means pass, and a cat in hell's chance means there is no chance of yours to get pass, of course. But I may surprise everybody, said Evans. लेकिन Evans कहता है कि मैं सबको सरप्राइज कर दूंगा. At 8:30 the following morning, Evans had a visitor. Evans के पास एक visitor आया. Two visitors, in fact. He tucked his grubby string vest into his equally grubby trousers and stood up from his bunk. Bunk is seat. और वो अपनी सीट से खड़ा हुआ, स्माइलिंग चेयरफुली. मॉर्निंग मिस्टर जैक्सन, दिस इज इंडीड एन ऑनर. उसने खड़ा होके ऑनर दिया जैक्सन को. जैक्सन वॉज द सीनियर प्रिजन ऑफिसर ऑन डी विंग एंड he and Evans had already become warm enemies. और जैक्सन और इवांस पहले से ही एनिमीज थे. एट जैक्सन साइड स्टूड ऑफिसर स्टीफन. दूसरा जो ऑफिसर था वो स्टीफन्स था, प्रिजन ऑफिसर. और जैक्सन के साथ स्टीफन खड़ा था. अ बर्ली सर्ली लुकिंग मैन. बर्ली सर्ली मीन्स स्टडी एंड बैड टेम्पर्ड मैन, ओनली रिसेंटली रिक्रूटेड टू द प्रोफेशन. और उसको थोड़ा टाइम पहले ही जॉब मिली थी. जैक्सन नॉडेड कर्टली. जैक्सन शुक हिज हेड. एंड हाउस आर लिटिल आइंस्टीन दिस मॉर्निंग देन. और उसने पूछा कि हमारा छोटा आइंस्टीन कैसे है. वॉजंट अ मैथमेटिशियन मिस्टर जैक्सन. आई थिंक इट वॉज अ ज्यू मिस्टर जैक्सन. सो इवान्स फेस वॉज अनशेवन. इवान्स का फेस पे शेव नहीं हुई थी. एंड ही वोर अ फिल्दी लुकिंग रेड एंड वाइट बॉबल. बॉबल इज वूलन हैट एंड देयर वॉज अ डर्टी वूलन हैट ऑन हिज हेड. गिव मी अ चांस मिस्टर जैक्सन. फिर इवान्स बोलता है, मिस्टर जैक्सन जस्ट गिव मी अ चांस. आई वॉज जस्ट गोइंग टू शेव व्हेन यू बर्स्ट इन. He says that, Ivan says that, I was just going to shave my beard when you burst in means came in. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we'll continue with the same chapter. Okay, bye. Have a nice day ahead, students.